Good morning, my dear students. For final triple E students, we have the subject power quality. This is an extension of power system 1, power system 2, that means electrical power transmission system, and power system analysis. So, power quality is a very important subject for your project work also. So, Unit 1 is an introduction. The topic name is Introduction. Unit 1 contains definition of power quality terminology, classification of power quality issues, magnitude versus duration plot, power quality standards, responsibility of suppliers and users of electric power, CBEMA and ITI curves. This is a syllabus for your entire sim. So unit 1 is the introduction, unit 2 transients, short duration and long duration variation, unit 3 fundamentals of harmonics and applied harmonics, unit 4 power quality monitoring, unit 5 power quality enhancement using custom power devices. While coming to the unit 1, the first topic is definition of power quality. What is power quality? Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineers means IEEE. Standard IEEE 1100 defines power quality as the concept of powering and grounding sensitive electronic equipment in a manner suitable for the equipment. Another definition of power quality is any power problem manifested in voltage, current, or frequency deviations that result in failure or misoperation of customer equipment. Ultimately, the power quality means we protect the equipments. A simpler definition might state power quality is a set of electrical boundaries that allows a piece of equipment function in its intended manner without significant loss of performance or life expectancy. Power quality is simply the electric power that drives an electrical device and the device ability to function properly with that electric power. The quality electrical power may be described as a set of values of parameters such as continuity of service, whether the electrical power is subjected to voltage drops, over voltages below or above a threshold level, thereby causing blackouts or brownouts. Variation in voltage magnitude also another power quality problem. Transient voltages and currents also another power quality problem. Harmonic content is a severe power quality problem. So reason for increased concern of power quality. New generation load equipment with microprocessor based controls and power electronic devices is more sensitive to power quality variations than was equipment used in the past. The increasing emphasis on overall power system efficiency has resulted as high efficiency adjustable speed motor drives and shunt capacitors for power factor correction to reduction losses. This is resulting in increasing harmonic levels on power system, which is very severe power problem. End users have an increased awareness of power quality issues. Utility customers are challenging the utilities to improve the quality of power delivered. Many things are now interconnected in a network. Integrated processes mean that then the failure of any component has much more important consequences. Power quality terminology. In power quality there are number of terms are there. More commonly used power quality terms are bonding, capacitance, coupling, crest factor means peak value by RMS value, distortion, distortion factor, that means THD, total harmonic distortion, RMS of the harmonic content of periodic wave by RMS of the fundamental content of wave into 100, flicker, change in voltage over nominal expressed as percent, form factor, RMS value by average value, frequency, number of vibrations per second, ground electrode, ground grid, ground loop, ground ring, grounding, grounding, harmonic, harmonic distortion, impulse, inductance, mutual inductance, self inductance of a circuit, inrush, that means large current that a load draws when initially turned on, interruption, complete loss of voltage or current for a time period, isolation, linear loads, noise, non-linear load, notch, notch means disturbance of the normal power voltage waveform lasting less than a half cycle, periodic, power disturbance, any deviation from the nominal value of the input AC characteristics, power factor, that means displacement, fundamental active power by apparent power. Power factor means total power factor, recovery time, right through capability is the ability of a power source to deliverable usable power for a limited time during a power loss. Right through is a very important. Sag, surge, swell, transient. So sag, swell, surge, transients are the very important power quality issues. In general, a surge is a transient wave of current, voltage, or power in an electric circuit. Surges or transients are brief over voltage spikes or disturbances on a power waveform that can damage, degrade, or destroy the electronic equipment with any home, commercial building, industrial, or manufacturing facilities. So this is a ground conductor connected in between transformer, utility transformer, serve bridge 1. So this is a bonding between any two components. So grounding is a important for protection of equipment. Grounding, these are the grounding electrodes. This is the bonding system. This is a feeder. Feeder is a which carry electric power. So the bonding between service bridge 1 to bridge 2. So these are the some important power quality terminologies.